Prior to all this happening, I was enlisted in the Navy. I had a full ride to Emory. I was just kind of deciding what my next step was going to be. I took this girl out. We went out to the movies, drove home, didn't think anything of it. It was like 3:30 a.m. I just had cops at my door. She accused me of rape. As soon as I stepped out the door, I was in handcuffs. I had no idea what was going on. I was in jail for 30 months. They did not grant me bail until after my trial. Meanwhile, no one picked up the phone. No one wanted to talk to me. Everyone automatically assumes that whatever you're charged with, you actually did. Life behind bars was terrifying. I mean, you really don't know what's going to happen. My first attorney treated me like I did it. Some attorneys shouldn't practice law. I had him for 2 years, talked to him one time. He walked in, he made me feel like I was guilty of what I was accused of. I didn't do anything. He made me scared for the time that I was in there. I didn't feel like there was any chance of me getting out. I found out about Frye while being in jail. In the 30 months, I saw probably at least 200 or 300 people go in and out of my cell, all within 8, 9, 10 months. Every client that Kim got didn't go to prison for the rest of their lives. Every client that every other attorney got went to prison for the rest of their lives. First time I talked to Kim, it felt like all that had washed away. Finally, someone was talking to me as a human for the first time in almost 3 years. She didn't treat me like a criminal. She didn't treat me like I was accused of anything. She treated me like a regular human being. Up until that point, I was convinced that my life was over. As soon as I talked to Kim and Michael, it was like a new world had opened. I felt like I actually had a chance for the first time in 2 years. If Kim wasn't my attorney, if I had my original attorney, I would be in prison right now, hands down. Now I have a fully clean record. It's as if nothing happened. My name's clean. I can work at any job. I can do anything I want. I recommend everyone reach out to Kim. I'm standing right here right now. And there was a point in time before her that I thought my life was over.